In the last part, we need to create a slicer by regions and organize the whole layout as a nice looking dashboard. So let's start by inserting a slicer by region. This is the default layout, but we can change it to stick to coloring of the whole dashboard. Then, because we've got in here 5 regions, we can create 5 columns and make this slicer horizontal. We can place it above the whole report as the main slicer for the report. And what is more, we can also insert a new column in here on the left to create some space for the year slicer. Then our target realization requires some label. So let's copy and paste the label and call it target realization, and let's place in here this beautiful chart that visualizes the target realization. And the last part, let's place together the sales and target, one above each other, to complete the dashboard. The target deviation should fall exactly below what we see on the upper chart, so you need to adjust the width of the chart to make everything appear in a very consistent way. Now let's concentrate on the region slicer. We need to apply specific report connections because at the moment it's just tied to the first pivot table, and we want to filter the whole dashboard by regions. So we can change it in here. Maybe we can increase a bit the size for the regions we have. And what is more, we need to work also a bit with the width of the pivot table, because otherwise the whole dashboard is going to float. And this is an option you can find under pivot table options, where you can turn off auto fit column widths on update. So you just set the width for the whole scenario just a single time, and then it's going to stick to this all the time. Let's try right now to filter the data. Maybe before that, let's check that the year slicer is connected to my sales value and also to target realization, but it's not going to filter the years we have in here. And now we can try to find, for example, current results for the Southwest region with the target realization as 102%, the deviation, the plans, everything is right now visualized on this simple dashboard. This was just a summary of many exercises we had before, and as you can see, pivot tables are a great way not only to quickly calculate the data, but also to create interactive, fancy looking dashboards, and that is what I wish to your pivot tables too.